Hi guys! Dito kami sa rooftop ng hotel na nirintahan namin guys. Dito guys, ang ganda ng view. Napaka-overlooking guys. Tingnan nyo. My God, ma-amaze ka sa ganda dito guys. Kita nyo naman guys, oh. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Wow na wow. Baka mahulog yung cellphone ko na. Oh, very nice place. Ingat sa paglakad kasi laging umuulan dito guys at madanlog ang anong tawag dito? Yung tiles. Here! I do the vlog. Ayan, nasta mulmul.
You go,
Nahanap pa rin ako. Ha?
Show me.
It's okay, not this time.
No, not this time. You go, movie you. Okay. Yeah.
You hold here because this one is crazy.
Oh, oui, yeah. Putain, it's not so.
You fool, mon fool.
Bon, allez, we go to the swimming pool, okay? That is this one? No, very small. This one.
For the baby.
Alors, look the view. We are Ubud. Ubud. On the top roof of the hotel. And there is the swimming pool. Maybe I go swim after me also.
Morning is good.
Yeah. I want to go. Okay. Bon, allez, tiens. I finish. Alors, look the view. We are Ubud. On the top roof of the hotel. And there is the swimming pool. Maybe I go swim after me also.
Morning is good.
Yeah. I want to go. Okay, bon, allez, tiens. I finish.
Natakot ako sa cellphone ko, baka tumilapon. Ang ganda talaga. O, tingnan mo. Super ganda dito, guys. Tingnan mo yung suot ko, nakapantulog. No matter, basta maganda lang yung nakuhaan natin, guys. Super ganda dito. Grabe. Napaka-overlooking. Siguro maligo bukas na lang ng umaga para hindi mainit kasi tanghali na alas 10 naman ata ngayon na oras. Ang init, my God, hindi kakayanin sa power. Lagom paghuman. Oh, tingnan mo guys, no, super ganda. Nasa rooftop yung swimming pool nila. So that's it. Itong si Claudio ang sarap sa pakin. What? Ha? Oh, give me. I'm going to the room. Hello. Sorry? Later, it's hot na. Yeah. Give me. Ay, sa baba guys, may mga Buddha. Ano yan? Ay, hindi pala yan Buddha. Ano ba yan? Yung parang design nila sa atip. Mga yayamanin, naka-gold. Mga Chinese yung design talaga nila. Uniform yung mga building nila guys, mga bahay. Cute. Bukas guys, mag-picture ako dito. Super maganda. Wala pa akong hulagway.